Hi guys, this is Silverleaf. I am a member here at The Geek. I've been here since 2004. Um, and until recently, I did most of my gaming either face to face or through one of the online console Java windows like Vassal or Cyberboard. And I recently discovered BrettspielWelt, which is an online community, and apparently a lot of the people here at The Geek know about it. If you don't, well, I made this tutorial for two reasons. Number one, to help you navigate around through the console window, and the second reason is because most of it is in German. And there's a couple of shortcuts which I've learned that um, one of the communities, which is known as English Town, promotes. And so hopefully this will be able to, there'll be a link to this posted on the English Town community website as well for those members that would like to join and get more information on that. In order to get to Brett Spielwelt, or BSW for short, if you go to Google and just type the name in and the first link that comes up, we'll have a link for that directly so you can go right to this site. If you click on Community and then Downloads, and when it loads, you can go ahead and choose your operating system and download it. I think it's like 3 meg. It's pretty small. So once that's done, you must go ahead and register, because if you're a geek, you're here at at Board Game Geek, you're probably going to be playing this a little bit. There's a lot of games you'll be able to play on here. It doesn't have everything, but it's got quite a few, and most of them that I've played have been awesome. Um, so go ahead and register. Just remember your name and password. You'll be good to go. The next step is BSW will not put a shortcut on your desktop. Didn't do it for me. So if you just click on Computer and go to Desktop and then your name and then App Data, first folder after it, and then Roaming and then BSW, and scroll down, and Brett Spielwelt, the application, right click and create a shortcut. And I've already done so here, and then you will take and drag that to your desktop. So we'll go ahead and start this up. Now once you load this for the first time, it'll take a little bit because it's going to be downloading the sounds and all the information that it needs. So we'll go ahead and start it up. And you have to log in, obviously, with your username and password. And you get that little sound in the background to let you know that the game is up and running. Now I've got this fairly small. You can make it bigger, as you can see, like that. I'm just keeping it small for the time being so I can show you everything that this has. The first thing that you notice when you come in here is all these different colors. And they're all green right now, but every once in a while they'll be red and blue. Um, these are the different games that are available. Larger icons are here, and this is just a few of them. There's, I don't know, 40 or 50 games, I think, somewhere in that range, maybe more, that are available on here. So if you click any of these tabs, like the Pandemic tab, this will take you into that room. And like this one here is blue. There's people currently, and you can see them, male or female, and they're in there playing right now. But in an empty room, if you click on it, just to highlight it, you then get an either initiate or enter room. Now, this is just my philosophy, and I think most people are like this as well. Is let's pretend that I wanted to go ahead and jump into this room that has these people. Well, in this instance, I can only watch game. It's already started. But back on our main window, where the archive's at, we'll choose Players Wanted, and we'll just do, let me go back one more. When you highlight that, there we go. That was weird. There we go. Alright, so let's say I want to load Dominion. Somebody is looking for someone. Prunell is looking for someone right now. If I if I choose just enter room, oh, they already got somebody, so go to another one. It says join or enter. If I click on join game, I may be jumping right into the middle of a ladder match that somebody's waiting on for an opponent. So it's always best to enter the room, and then once you're in there, to go ahead and choose. And say hi and hey, I'm interested in joining your game. So the game selection over here on the left-hand side, for the most part, they're in German. But if you click on Alice Spiel and scroll down here, and we'll just go down to Stone Age. I don't see Stone Age listed. That's weird. Getting all kinds of weird things here while I'm showing you this. Trying to find a game that I've already loaded in before to make it a little bit easier. I'm going to go back. And then we'll do that one more time and just see if it's there or not. There it is. Okay. Blue is current games. So we're going to go ahead to one of these, and I'm going to click on... I'm going to enter the room the way that I would like you to. Now, nobody's here, but if there were, then you would ask, can I join? Sure. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and click join, and that puts me up in the top spot. I'm going to open this up all the way so you can see all of it. And then, for the game information itself, you just click on game. That brings this window back up. Now, if I'm going to teach somebody, I would like to let everybody else know, hey, this is a learning game. So I'll highlight that little block. So here I can type in, let's say, need 2 more players. And then I would click OK, and that would send the message out to the main manager window where we were at to begin. And from that standpoint, other people could see it and they could come in and join our game. The next reason for bringing you in here is so we can do a couple things. The first thing is channel. Right now, if you look down here at the environment, I'm going to shrink this window back down to where it was at. And I'm going to highlight the SPV_EN. That's the English speaking room, but there's not a lot of them there. So if we click on channels, now my English town is already there because I'm a member. But if you go down to English Circle, and you get that little sound, and then you'll have a listing of some of the people. There's not a lot right now because everyone's pretty much playing, but they're there. So you can then highlight English Circle down here in the bottom, and now you're talking to anybody that's in that room specifically. The next thing that you need to know, and the reason we're still in this room, is if you click on room and your name, it then pops up this little info box. And the nice part about this is it will show you your rank. And mine is currently W3. Normally to start it's W0. So once you get to level W2, then you can go to and join English Town, which is a community. Now on the English Town community website, if you click on the Here tab where it says if you'd like to become a citizen, and then you just highlight this little thing here, which is it's going to take us into the C10 room. So I'm going to actually copy and paste it in and hit enter. And that will take us into the view itself of English Town. I don't know where my house is at. It is here somewhere. I'm sure if I were to take long enough time to look and find it, I would. But anyway, from within here, you know, it's mostly English-speaking people, and that's the main consideration for it. So, if you're interested, there's a deputy and a mayor and a deputy mayor that can get you to join real easily, real simple. So just be to level 2, and you'll be good to go on that. So we're going to go ahead and back to the main window, and you know, like I said, there's a large listing of games available. You can click on the More button here to show them just the regular icons. Just enjoy and have fun. And in the next video tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can edit the INI file, your INI file. It's real simple, just using Note tab. And from there, because every time right now, I'll show you, if I type in Brettspiel, or if I close it and then open it back up, we're going to get a window that pops up that you have to log in every single time. By editing the INI file, we'll go ahead and skip that step and you'll go right into the gaming itself. So that's pretty much it. I hope that this video has helped you, and you know, remember that one of the nice parts about this online community is there is a ton of games, from Pillars of the Earth to Kingsburg to Carcassonne to Puerto Rico, Trans America. Anyway, I will hopefully will see you in the next video, and I hope that this has been helpful to you. Ciao.